Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cast your iPhone screen to Windows 11. So first thing, go here to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store, then open it. From here, go to the search bar again and search for Air Server. Then go to this one, Air Server Windows Desktop Edition, open it, and from here click Get. After it is downloaded, all you need to do is click Open. Then this will be our app. From here, click Continue Trial. And then open your iPhone as you can see here. Scroll down and open this one, Screen Mirroring. Then you should find your laptop name. Just click on it. And as you can see now, we can screen mirror our iPhone into our PC. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.